Trigger Man, where we play no games and we got good aim. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. The Trigger Man.
All right, boy, Trigger Man, back in the lab. And today, what we have here, today, man, we're gonna be spraying this here Mazda paint code 46G. 46G, not to be mistaken with 46V. And today we're gonna be spraying these with the Exodus Luma 3 spray guns with the Luma light. These were sent out to me. Gonna give them a spin. I've been very curious about them. I've seen them all over, all online with the little light and everything. So we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see if it's just a gimmick or does it really help, you know? Y'all know Trigger Man gonna tell it like it is. So let me see, let me cut on a little light. Let me get a little light on there. So, you know, what's it gonna do for us? Huh? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see, mother sucker? But yeah, man, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna seal it, base and clear. They sent the base gun as well as a clear gun. So we're gonna see what's what, and then we're gonna talk about it, discuss a few things during the voiceover. So I'm gonna go mask up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Okay, now I really feel like an official TikTok painter. Got my fan wide open. Starting with the fan wide open, and I believe the fluid was wide open as well. Spraying my base, 2K base. The base coat gun they sent me in a 1.3, and the clear coat is going to be in a 1.5. So that's what we're doing here. And I will admit I was a little hesitant with the 1.5, but the gentleman that sent the gun out to me told me that, you know, their 1.5 is really like a SATA 1.3, so not to be too scared of it. So I was like, okay. Oh, and look what I missed here. Look what I missed. See with the light? See with the light? The light pointed that out. You see? Stuff like that. Stuff like that. The light comes in handy. This is on the sealer. So putting down the sealer, I missed a little spot there. And it caught that. So things like that, you know, certain areas, definitely helpful. Now I'm spraying on some wet bed, spraying the wet bed out of the same base coat gun. And this is our TransStar ready to spray wet bed / base coat blender. My blend panels are prepped with 800 grit sandpaper. So yeah, like I was saying, in certain areas, the gun comes in real handy. From all the different parts I've cut in, from a tailgate I did inside out. You know, sometimes when you're spraying under those tailgates and under different parts, it was really helpful. I will admit it was helpful. Then right here, like under the wheel well, you know, sometimes you get that stuff, sometimes you don't. Really, we just keep spraying under it until we feel like it's covered. And in this particular vehicle, behind the mirror, which I'm sure most of you taking your mirrors off, but if you got old 80-year-old body men like me who really can't take this stuff off and you gotta paint with it on, then hey. And I mean, again, it came in really helpful for this. You know, had there been no mirror on there, cool, that's fine. You know, you just painting, going on with it. But being I had to get behind the mirror, and usually I just spray until I feel like it's covered, because you can't really see that stuff, you know. But again, with the light, it did make it easier. You know, and I'm only going to tell you guys where it really helped me, you know. And where it didn't, I'll let you know. But again, I'm just still doing that because I find it cool, you know. I never really been able to look behind the light, except if I go back and get my little sunlight, my little astro light, and put it, then I can see. But just to have it on the gun, it's pretty cool, you know. And the light is a true 98 CRI rated light. And what that means simply is that the Sun Pro light that this gun comes with
it provides one of the most accurate representations of the sun. So sometimes, you know, you get an LED light and it doesn't really give you a good view of what the actual sunlight would look like. You know, this light is already dialed in for that. So, you know, sometimes you're in the booth, you're trying to match something up, can't really match it up because you're in the booth under different lighting. This light will give you the best representation of actual daylight. Okay, now here we go with the clear coat. Spraying the clear coat on. This is the 1.5 needle and nozzle. It actually has the same cap as the base coat gun, but it's just a bigger needle size. Now here I am again behind the mirror. Definitely coming in handy for that. Definitely. Now when I'm doing the flat panels with the clear, for me, this isn't something that I'm gonna be using it for, because it's actually like the clear, the shiny of the clear and the brightness, you know, me personally, I can't really see that. It's almost like spraying white, and you know, it's kind of like the snow blinding, but it's gray blinding. See right here, switch it off. Now I can actually see where my clear coat is landing. You can see the fan. You know, before I'm just kind of guessing, and I do have it set to the highest setting, which is 3,300 lumens. You know, it does have 3 different settings. You can click it down a little. So that's where I had it. It's at 5,000 Kelvin is what it's rated as well. It's also sapphire glass on the end of it, so it's not like plastic, you know, a plastic lens that'll get dirty. You know, it's glass, so you can clean it with alcohol, a little reducer or something. You know, I've cleaned it probably 10 times already and it doesn't affect it. Still looks like clear glass. Yeah, click it off so I can see there. No problem. You know, if it's something you can get used to, like clicking it on with your thumb, click it off. See, real quick, click it on, then click it back off. You know, that'll work even fine as well, you know. If it's something you really like, you enjoy, you want to get used to it. Just like if, you know, you guys out there that handle firearms and you have your red dot, your red beam, your laser, your floating dot, you know, you learn the tactical, turn it on, turn it off with just a tap of a finger. Same thing. Also has a charging dock, wireless charging dock with a micro USB. You simply slide it onto the charging dock and you're good. Has a 12-hour battery life, so you can spray all day. So I say, I give it a thumbs up. I like it. I really like it. The gun sprays awesome. I really do like the way the gun sprays. I mean, it moves pretty fast. It's more on the faster side, but it breaks it up real good. And again, the light has its purposes. There's definitely a time and a place for it. You know, it's just, to me, doing flat panels with clear, not really so much, but anything other than that, sealer, base coat, even spraying clear behind different areas, it's fine. Fine. I like it. I really do. And if I didn't, you guys know I got no problem telling you. When I go to shaking like that, boy, it's on and popping. All right. Got it done. This is what we're looking like. Looking pretty good, if I must say so myself. Looking pretty good. A few little pieces of dirt there under the mirror. That's to be expected when you're painting around a damn mirror with paper on it, you know? It's like, what do you expect? You know what I mean? But other than that, yeah, man, looks real good. Very nice. Very nice. Laid down smooth. Yeah, I like it. So this is the first real job with it. So I've cut in a few little pieces. I did a tailgate with it. I uploaded the short form video, little things, but this is the first real job that I've actually sprayed with it. And yeah, I like it. But yeah, we're gonna do some more. We're gonna do a couple more with it. I'm try to get this out in the sun. I don't know if they're gonna take it out today or tomorrow, but when it gets out in the sun, I'll get some more footage of it and we'll go from there. And this is what we're looking like the next morning out in the sun. I still have to denib the few spots that are under the mirror. Must have been dirt coming out of the paper there, But whatever, you know, we all get dirt, man. We all get dirt. Even you fancy guys, you still get dirt. And a bunch of you guys have mentioned to me that the finer core, this is just a copycat off one gun or the other. Just showing you guys there were a couple differences in the air caps that I noticed. Also, let me know if you guys want to see a 2 guns, 1 cup. You know, the finer core versus the Luma 3. You know, let me know if you guys want to see that. Haven't done a 2 guns, 1 cup in a while. But these are the finished results. I like the gun. I dig it. I'm going to play around with it some more. So you will be seeing more content coming with it. Just so I can really see. But so far, after one job, I like it. So this your boy Trigger signing off. I ask that you would please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and only if you are enjoying the content, I ask you to please subscribe to the channel. I'm not even going to ask you to hit the bell thingy. You don't even have to hit the bell. Just subscribe so you can tune in from time to time. I ask that you would please share this video with a friend. And after doing so, if you would please tell his girlfriend. Peace.